What are the factors which affect the soil formation? How the soil is formed, from where it is formed. For that, the first one is parent rock or the bedrock. What do you mean by parent rock? There are three types of rocks: permanent igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks, and the sedimentary rocks. One rock, I brought it as an example for you. There are three types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Igneous rocks, which are formed from the movement of lava, from the flow of lava from the volcanic mountains. Sedimentary rocks are formed because of the movement of rivers from the mountains to the downs. They bring the sediments from the mountains and they deposit in the down, and they are converted into sedimentary rocks. Third one, metamorphic rocks. Because of high pressure and temperature, the igneous rocks and the sedimentary rocks are converted into metamorphic rocks. This process is called as metamorphism. So there are three types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Suppose if this rock is broken because of some reasons, it will change into soil. The soil particles are there on these rocks. This rock piece is made up of with the soil particles. If it breaks because of various reasons, it can convert into soil. This will change into a big amount of soil. Next one is climate. High temperature or the low temperature. If the sunlight falls continuously on a rock, there are chances for that rocks to break. Similarly, if there is cold temperature, if the water goes inside the rocks, it can change into ice, and expanding, contrasting process will go on, and it can also break the rock into and change into soil. So climate, high temperature and the low temperature is also a factor which helps in the formation of soil. Next one is our human activities. We are also breaking the rocks into soil for our convenience. While we are going to Udaipur, you can see various tunnels, the 4-lane highway which is made in between the mountains. It is because of us. We use the JCB like that of machines and break the rocks and made our roads. So we are also responsible for the formation of soil. Next one, vegetation, the plants. The roots of the plants, the roots of the trees which grows inside the rocks, breaks the rocks and convert that rock particles into soil. So vegetation or the plants or the trees are also acting as a factor in the formation of soil. Next one is time. Time is also an important factor. It says that it takes millions of years time for the formation of soil. It is not a magic, all of a sudden we cannot make the soil. It takes millions of years of time for the formation of soil. So time is also a factor. And the last one is microorganisms or bacteria. If a dead plants, if you see a dead leaves, after some days you will not be able to see that because it is converted into the form of soil. By whom? By the microorganisms and the bacteria. So microorganisms and the bacteria are also working as an agent of soil formation. So parent rock or bedrock is required, climate is required, human nature is required, human beings are required, plants are required, vegetation, natural vegetation is required, time is required, microorganisms and bacteria are required for the formation of soil from the rocks or from other things. Okay, thank you.